Hi guys, my name's Will and you're watching Young Success. There's only 31 more days until the end of the year. And let's face it, we all want to crush it in 2019, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So without further ado, here's 5 tips on how to crush it in 2019. Let's go. Tip number 1, don't take yourself so seriously. Don't lock yourself out from other ideas. There's a lot of things to learn from other people's perspectives, so just keep yourself open, keep taking in brand new content, because I mean, let's all face it, we don't want to be that one person who totally misses it. In 2019, there's going to be a whole bunch of really great ideas, so just keep an open mindset and keep learning. Tip number 2 is focus on social media. Social media is growing all the time, but more in 2019. I've got some insights saying that it is going to be way bigger than you or I could even imagine. Instagram is rolling out a lot of updates. I'm going to be making a video on that pretty soon. Facebook is just growing all the time. YouTube is second largest search engine in the world. You should really be optimizing these platforms and using them to the best of your ability. Tip number 3 is going to be focus on your health, guys. Focusing on your health is just been shown to only make a positive impact in life, so why not be doing it? I'm going to link some videos down below that go all the way through everything you should be doing to keep yourself physically and mentally fit. There's a lot of really great YouTubers out there talking about that stuff, so I'll just let them take that from there. But yes, this is something you really need to focus on. Taking care of your body should be number 1. Like, I know we're all business people here, but you should not be eating chips and stuff. I mean, put that shit down. Start eating healthy, because in the long run, it is going to be probably the biggest thing that impacts your life. And you're going to wish that you focused on it now, because in the future, it's really hard to change. And it affects your mindset. Like, when you're not healthy, when you cannot go out and do the things that you should normally be able to do, it is going to affect you. So I'm going to, as I said, link some people down below, and just go and scroll through what I've got to share with you, and hopefully that helps, because I know this has probably been the biggest determining factor in my success in 2018, and I know it's replicatable in 2019 beyond everything. You can use health like in 2030. I mean, it's not going away. So go ahead and focus on that. That might be a boring one for you guys in business, but you really, really do need to focus on it. Tip number 4, you have to collaborate in 2019. I don't know what else to tell you guys. It's probably one of the biggest things on this list. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, they're all rewarding you for collaborating. So collaboration is the fastest way you're going to grow your social media, as well as getting the word out about you, about what you have to offer and what you have to give. It is just so important that you focus on commenting on people's pictures, liking people's pictures, commenting on their videos, and giving true value, because if you make people feel good, they're going to make you feel good in the future. And so just fucking spread the love, dude. Tip number 5, make videos. Videos are the biggest way to share in 2018, but are gonna probably be closer to the only way to share data in 2019, because every single platform you look at it, Instagram's algorithms are changing to be more like YouTube's. Even Google is taking some things from YouTube, and if you're not sharing video now, you're gonna be substantially losing in 2019. You're just not gonna make it. So start making videos, even if they're short, anything. It's gonna help you rank in Google. First of all, it's gonna help you in business. And if anyone wants to know more about you, visually telling them is probably one of the best or only ways that someone's actually gonna connect with you, because let's face it, through text, it's really hard to figure out what someone is saying. And yeah, just focus on video. And that's tip number 5. So I hope all of these tips helped you, and I know they're going to help you succeed if you follow them in 2019. I'll catch you tomorrow. Go out there and win. See you guys.